Okay, y'all, this wig's gonna bring a little everyday glam into your wig closet. Let me show it to you. If you love barrel curls like I do, this might be your wig. This is Jon Renau Aurora, and this color is Malibu Blonde, which is 12 FS12. This is one of my favorites. I have it in 3 colors. Now, I've reviewed this before, so if you want to see more about it, I already have another video out on this one, but I really wanted you to see this color. I think it's so gorgeous. This wig was provided by wigs.com. I have a really nice discount code. If you will go to the drop-down box below this video, just expand that drop-down box. Where you can get this at wigs.com is listed there with my discount code applied. Just click on it and you can save yourself some money on this beautiful style. Now I want to talk about what comes with this wig. You know, Jon Renau always provides us with these heat-friendly wigs, a wide tooth comb. This is, of course, heat-friendly fibers, and they will give you a wide tooth comb, and that is imperative. You have to use that on these fibers. You don't want to pull these out. You don't want to fray them. You want to be careful with your fibers. They also have this care instruction card, which I really love, and it tells you how to take care of all different types of hair: human hair, synthetic hair, heat-friendly hair, everything, how to wash it, how to care for it. They also have a QR code where you can get some styling tips. So this is really a nice addition. I also wanted to mention a few products that I like to use. I like the Jon Renau Fiber Love shampoo, and I also like the conditioning spray. So these are 2 really great products, I think. Now, something I use on every wig every day when I take it off is the HD Smooth Detangler. Always. I spray it on the ends of my wigs when I take them off. I run my hands through there. I gently get out any type of matting, knotting, anything, all the tangles out, and this is a product I don't know, I have no telling how many bottles of that I have been through. And also they have the heat treatment thermal spray if you're interested in that. This is also a great product for these heat-friendly fibers. Also, just to touch quickly on some tools I might use, I have one of these little curling irons, and I mean, it is tiny, but it is amazing. I love it. It is great for just getting the ends. Very, very easy to use. Make sure whatever you're using that you're able to control the heat. Now they recommend 275 to 300 on their heat-friendly fibers. Be sure that you know what the heat temperature is and that you're using it correctly. I like this small one, like I said, just to get the ends. The moment I feel any type of fraying, and these will fray and these will have to be you will have to apply heat, no doubt about it, if you want this to last. Just rubbing like on this dress, it's going to cause fraying. So the moment I notice that, I put heat on my wigs. Don't let them go too long. It's hard to get them back. If you will care for them as you need to, they will last you longer. This is a nice tool. Also, a bigger barrel is great for these barrel curls. You can easily add more curl. You could straighten this, whatever you want to do, but both of these are great tools. All right, look at this gorgeous wig. I love this. This is such a beautiful length to me. I think it's wearable. I think the bang is gorgeous. It kind of steals the show in my opinion. This beautiful sweeping bang. Now let's look at the inside of the cap. This has all the bells and whistles. It is a lace front, of course, extended lace front. Look at that large mono top. You can part it anywhere within there. Fully hand-tied cap. Of course, it has ear tabs and it has an extended felt nape with Velcro adjusters. Just an absolutely beautiful, beautiful cap. Let me show you the lace front. They've done a beautiful job on the lace front. Great coverage on this also. I have a 21¼ inch head circumference. I found this fits me perfectly, but there's stretch here. This is going to stretch up, but I have a really good fit with this. Now let's just talk about 12 FS12. Now, are you familiar with 12 FS8, which is shaded praline, one of the all-time favorite colors, very popular Jon Renau color. This is the same except for the root. This colorway is exactly the same, but the rooting on 12 FS12 is lighter. So this one I have on is a lighter root than 12 FS8. Now I'm going to insert some footage of this in different lighting. Look at this light gold brown running through here, so pretty. I love it. And then it has all these shades of blonde. It's like a natural gold blonde in here, a pale gold blonde. It's just so dimensional and so beautiful on this rooting that is not overdone. Now the specs of this, the crown is 12.5 and they say the sides are 12. This feels maybe a little longer than 12 for me, but I have not measured it, but that is what Jon Renau is posting as the specs for this. Crown 12.5. Sides 12, bang 8, and the nape at 7.5. This is such a wearable, believable, beautiful style. Lots of ways to style this, y'all. You can wear this up and off your face. It's gorgeous. This has enough length that you definitely can do a low ponytail easily with this. Also, you can wear this in a clip. So many ways. I love these wigs that do have a little more length so you can style them in different ways. Thanks for stopping by today and having a look at Aurora. I hope you enjoyed this. Like I said, I have this in 3 colors. I might do a little follow-up video showing you all the colors I have this in. If you're looking for something like this, have a look at this gorgeous, gorgeous style. Thanks for watching today. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.